Hi, I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. What a blessing for folks south of Interstate 40 and the Panhandle to finish September with multiple days of gentle rain. On a 10-day rainfall map from September 22nd to October 3rd, higher rainfall amounts were in the reddish-purple areas in Okfuskee, Hughes, and Garvin counties, with Byers recording just over 6 inches. Locations in the brown-colored areas range from 2.5 to 4 inches. Green-colored areas received between 3/4 and 2 inches of rain. The blue areas typically had less than a ½ inch, and poor Fairview recorded only 0.07 over the 10 days. A plan available water map from the surface down to 16 inches shows how the rain impacted soil moisture. The brown areas typically have less than an inch of water available to plants. In contrast, most locations in green-colored areas have more than 3 inches of available water in the top 16 inches of soil. Turning to the Keetch-Byram Drought Index, where the maximum dryness is 800, 2 locations are wet enough to be below 100, Byers and Okemah. 2 locations are still super dry, over 700, Red Rock and Winona, and too many locations are still over 500. Those areas with higher numbers on the Keetch-Byram Drought Index are those areas still under the governor's burn ban as of October 3rd. Such a patchwork pattern means you need to stay on top of what is in effect for your county. A web search for Oklahoma burn ban will get you to the current Oklahoma Forestry Department burn ban map. September 30th ended the latest water year. It started October 1st, 2011. A percent of normal rainfall for this last water year shows that most of the state came in between 80 and 100% of normal rainfall, the olive green colored areas. The light green dots were the few locations receiving between 100 and 120% of normal rainfall. The yellowish areas dropped down to between 60 and 80% of normal. As we know, rain timing has a huge impact, so annual numbers are not the whole story. October brings us closer to that first freeze. An earliest freeze map shows the Panhandle has experienced those in the latter part of September, and that didn't happen this year. The green areas have experienced freezes as early as October 2nd. The red areas have seen early freezes in mid-October. A map of average freeze dates shows how these compare to earliest freeze dates. Average first freeze dates in the Panhandle are in mid-October. Green areas fall closer to October 27th, and yellow areas around November 1st. For red areas, the average first freeze is closer to November 8th. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.